Peace and love. What's going on, y'all? Stevie Zenith, Rich from Anywhere. And in today's video, we are going to talk about how to collect the real data. All right. Now, you know, with the whole iOS update that's happened, people are finding it harder and harder to track data. Pixels aren't tracking as much data as they used to, and it's becoming really frustrating for you to stay in communication with your customers, with your fans, with your raving fan. It's very difficult for you to do. So what I'm gonna do in this video is I'm gonna break down 4 ways for you to collect the real data. And when I say real data, I'm talking about email lists, I'm talking about phone numbers, because this is the way that you're gonna stay in communication with your fans no matter what happens. If Facebook falls off the face of the earth tomorrow, if Instagram falls off the face of the earth tomorrow, your fans are still going to be in the know. They're gonna know exactly what's going on with you, and you're gonna be able to pitch them your particular products that you want them to buy, all right? So stay tuned, because we're definitely gonna jump in. Now, before we do that, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button below, click that like button, be sure to click that bell notification, because we are gonna continue to bring you the sauce. All right, so go ahead and stay tuned. We're gonna get into it right now. All right, y'all, so we're in right now. So what I wanna do, I wanna give you 4 different ways to collect massive amounts of data. I'm talking about email lists and phone numbers so that you can stay in communication with your audience, whether Facebook and Instagram go away or not. This is the way to do it. All right, so the first way to do this is by doing a giveaway. All right, a lot of people sleep on giveaways, but it's a great way to collect that data. All right, so here's the thing with the giveaway, you have to give away something of value. Number 1, you have to give away something of value. You have to give away something that your audience really wants. So if you look here on this page right now, this is actually one of our landing pages that we've created to do just that, to give away value. Obviously, some of you know that we do music marketing as well, and we've created some massive success for different artists that are going on tour, that have done tours, that are putting their music out there. We've experienced some good success with that. So what we did here was we created a free training on how to create a successful music single campaign. Here's a quick little hint. You could check on our YouTube page probably about a year back and you can see the same video. But what we did was we created a free training for it, and essentially in order to get the free training, you would have to enter your name right here and enter your email, okay? You would have to do those things. So once that happened and they said, yes, give me instant access, they would be sent to a page that had this free training on it. Now, I think we probably collected, I want to say about 500 emails from this, 500 names and emails from this, and we're able to now stay in contact and keep our audience in the know with what's going on. We ran this for about a month or so, maybe 500, maybe 1,000 emails, I can't remember exactly, but this is a great way to get these emails that you want to get, because now it's like, yo, if our Facebook went away today, if our Instagram went away today, we'd still be able to be in contact with our audience because of this. So number 1, do some sort of a giveaway, a free giveaway that your audience values. Send them to a landing page and collect their data. Okay, now remember, it has to be something that your audience values. Obviously, digital products are great, so that's something that you can do if you have a skill set in a certain niche. You could do like an iPad giveaway or an iMac giveaway, a MacBook Pro giveaway, some sort of Apple giveaway. It doesn't matter, as long as your audience values it, they're gonna sign up, you're gonna be able to collect that data, okay? Now that's number 1, all right? Now, number 2 is the VIP club. So if you think about it, people always want to feel exclusive. People always want to have that exclusive feel. They always want to feel like they're the creme de la creme, like they're the best of the best when it comes to your audience. So you want them to feel that as well, and you want to create something called a VIP club, okay? Now this VIP club is going to be where they get first access to things. If you're releasing something, if you're releasing some sort of a project, you want to give them first access to that project. If you're in the e-com space, you want to give them first access to your new products. You want to give them first access to your new arrival. Now I'm going to actually show you a page that we had set up for one of our students here, and this is actually, typically this page is a VIP club page. We just changed the text a little bit to encompass the Memorial Day holiday that's coming up. But typically this can be a VIP club type of page where simply you drop the link in your Instagram, tell people to click that link in your bio to join your VIP club to get first dibs on all the new releases, exclusive material, free giveaways. All of these things can be done from the VIP club. That is something that your audience is gonna want, because they're gonna wanna feel exclusive. They're gonna wanna get the things first. They're gonna wanna be a part of a community that essentially is catered to. Okay, so the VIP club is great, and you can see here, all we're asking for is the phone number, right? They enter their phone number and they confirm the subscription, and now all of a sudden you're building your phone number list as well. Now, in my opinion, phone numbers are a little bit more effective than email. Main reason being is because most people have their phone, you know, right in front of them. You know what I'm saying? So it's easy for you to send out a text message blast, an SMS blast, and get responses quickly. But don't sleep on email, because email is also a great way. But these two in combination can do wonders for your brand. And keep in mind too, you can take this data and you can throw it into Facebook and create lookalike audiences, and that's going to be something for another video for you all that don't know what a lookalike audience is. But you can use this data. Data is king here, okay? Now, the next example I'm going to give you about a way to collect data from your customers is going to be Popups. All right, so I'm on everybody's favorite brand, Fashion Nova, right now. I'm on their website, and the first thing they did was hit me with a pop-up. Okay, now the thing is, success leaves clues. So you should be looking at the top platforms in your niche to get ideas on how to collect this data, because that's what we do all day. We do a lot of research to figure these things out. So you can see here, Fashion Nova hit me with the pop-up. It's a mystery scratch off offer. It's telling me I get 30% off. So when I hit click offer, I got to enter my email address, and then I got to choose my preference, and then click I love saving money. So when I do that, I'm going to get sent a coupon for 30% off of my purchase. They're going to collect my data. It's an even exchange. They might be getting the upper hand a little bit, but it's a great way to be collecting your data. So I encourage all of you all to follow success. Success leaves clues. You need to be following these things, because these are great ways to build your audience, to collect your emails, and to create raving fans on top of it. Okay, so these are some good things here. All right, now the fourth example I have for you is actually something that I'm just going to let you know right now. Anytime that you post, whether it be on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, you want to have a strong call to action. And when I say call to action, what I mean is anytime that you post, you want to be telling people to join your VIP club or become a part of your giveaway. You know, you want to be telling people this. You want to tell people to do exactly what you want them to do, because I'm gonna be honest with you, people are lazy, and if you don't tell them what to do, they're not gonna do anything at all. You can't assume that they're just gonna do it. So be consistent. Anytime you post, at the end of the post, you want to let them know, hey, click the link in my bio to join our VIP club, or click the link in my bio to join our giveaway that ends in 10 days. You want to do that. Even if the post has nothing to do with the giveaway, you always still want to leave that call to action. And I use this example a lot, but 50 Cent is always having strong call to actions or strong hashtags. Even if the post that he posted has nothing to do with the call to action, at the end he's always letting you know, yo, Power season 6 coming soon. You know what I'm saying? So that's one thing that you want to do, because it's going to stay fresh in people's mind. All right, so those are 4 different ways to collect data, preferably email and text message, but you want to do this because this is the best way for you to continue to achieve success, for you to continue to stay in contact with your customers, with your fans, and turn them into raving fans. And it's a great way to rest assured that if Facebook or Instagram goes out of business, you will still be in business, because you're going to be able to communicate directly with your fans. Hope you enjoyed this video, y'all. Go ahead and click that like button if you haven't. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Be sure to click that bell notification so that you can stay in the know anytime we drop some new sauce for you. Hope you found this valuable. Drop some comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.